Come on.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for inviting me to speak. It's wonderful to see such a great turnout. Everybody here with one aim, and that is to try and support and help Imran Khan to be released. I just read in the Arab news that even there was a UN decision, a convention, that they said that it's illegal that he is in prison and that he should be released as soon as possible. So I would like to hear, everybody is so passionate, everybody wants the same thing. I would like to hear what is the strategy, what is the plan, how can Imran be released if even the UN is now saying he's illegally in prison, and various other international organizations. I'm looking forward to hearing some concrete ideas and formulating them, and with the global support that he has to get them implemented. So Imran Khan, Zindabad, thank you very much.